Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. And here we have the straighten button, so by just one tap we can turn on our leveler. Another tap to turn it off, as we need the yellow color suggests us that this is turned on. And here in the preview we can see it, and this line is useful when we want to hold our device steady and keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. This is how it works. When this line is on the yellow color, it suggests us that now our device is standing steady. And of course, when we don't need it, we can tap to the right corner once again, pick the straighten, and now the leveler has gone here because it's turned off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.